Yes.
Okay. Now upwelling. Remember we discussed that the water is moving in two directions. Here horizontally or vertically. Vertically mean up and down. So vertically moving up and down, that's known as upwelling. So areas where minerals at the ocean floor, for example, here the minerals are here. Due to this upwelling, the water will take them up. So what are the upwelling? These are the areas where the minerals at the ocean floor are brought up to the surface by currents. An example of Peruvian anchoy of the west coast South America. So in the exam, if they can ask, they give an example of upwelling and they ask a place. So you can give this one, west coast of South America. And which one? Peruvian anchoy. This is cha sound, chapter, not ka, cha, anchoy. In there a different pronunciation in British. There is Americans anchoy, anchoy, and this British you will find anchovy. So both are right. It's a different pronunciation. So if in the exam the question comes, what is upwelling? So you will say areas where minerals at the sea floor are brought up to the surface by current. This process is known as upwelling. If you say give an example, so you can give this example. Peruvian enjoy or and where it is happening, west coast of South America. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now here you can see this one. Another thing is known as El Nino Southern Oscillation, ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation. What is this? They're saying that upwelling. What is upwelling? Nutrients from the bottom of the sea going up. From outside, they come in the ocean. From the ocean, they goes up to the upper water. So this is known as upwelling. Is distributed every 10 to 15 years. They are saying it happens after every 10 to 15 years. Every time it happens that the nutrients from the bottom they go up, they move up. So this process is known as El Nino Southern Oscillation. Is it clear? Nobody's replying. Tell me,
Yes.
who is this?
Uh,
Fatima, Leen, Meral, you are not understanding? Let me know.
no, it's clear.
It's clear. Thank you. Once again, I'm saying that there is a process, it's a natural process inside the sea that the mineral which come into the sea, they settle in the bottom, and from bottom every 10 to 15 years they come up with the help of water in the upper part of the water. So this movement in which the mineral come up in a periodically like 10 to 15 years, this is known as El Nino Southern Oscillation. And why it happened? It happened due to different factors: temperature, air pressure, atmosphere. This one, due to this it happens. In the exam question comes, so you can write this definition so you can get it answer. Okay, once again they're saying that El Nino Southern Oscillation, the change in prevailing winds that leads to change in pattern of current in the ocean. So again they're talking about the poor, the warm nutrient poor water come onto the region of from the equator. Again they're talking about the same thing, that when the they move from down to up the nutrients, it is good for the fish, and it's good for the phytoplankton because they can grow well. And after that these phytoplankton eat by the fish, the small fish eaten by the big fish. So this I want to tell the importance of El Nino Southern Oscillation process.